What is the career scope of truck dispatching course or truck dispatch training?
Truck dispatching be one of the stable most and promising career options in North America and Canada. Though, after learning this course you can certainly seek your career graph growing as a dispatch team manager or dispatch supervisor. However, the road does not stop just there. There are so many other amazing career options that open up after this course. During our training course in dispatching, we cover one specific session about career opportunities in dispatching. Our dispatch training program focuses upon various skills required to become a professional dispatcher in trucking industry.
This one course will train you on 4 job profiles. Number 1 is on how to do truck dispatching coast to coast Canada-wide. Number 2 is on how to do freight booking for North America. Number 3 is dispatch invoicing training through various dispatching softwares. Number 4 is border crossing training to understand ACE or ACI, PARS, or PAPS.
Do I have dispatcher skills? Can I do dispatching?
The training is ideal for students, truck drivers, owner-operators, anyone who wants to be in trucking industry. A trained and professional dispatcher needs to be a multitasker and needs to have certain skill sets which, though, cannot be acquired overnight or in a week's time. However, a good dispatch training program can give an insight what to expect when unexpected happens. The most important of these skills is matching the freight of multiple trucks ready to go in multiple lanes, and what if there are multiple truck types. Well, not to worry, as we take care of all the aspects of dispatch trainings.